Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to go over table overlays and how you can size them properly. So what is a table overlay, you ask? It is a smaller tablecloth or a table topper that you can use on either round or rectangular tables, and they're used to give you kind of a pop of color, a little bit more style, perhaps some different texture over the linen underneath. So basically the first thing that you need to know is the dimensions of your table. You can use square overlays for most tables or smaller round tablecloths for round tables. Let's go ahead and give you an example. So we're going ahead and measuring this table right here, the diameter and the height of the table. So let's go into a little bit of math here. So for a round table, what you're going to do is you're going to get the diameter of the table. For a rectangle table, you're just going to get the length, so from one end to the other. And so for both of these kinds of tables, the overlay length minus your table diameter, divide it by 2, and that will give your overlay drop. How much is going to drop on top of kind of like that base tablecloth that you have? Let's go ahead and give you an example. This first example, you're basically taking the table that is 60 inches in diameter, and as you can see, 60 by 60 overlay is too small for this table, so it'll just reach the edge of the table. For this other one, we're basically using this ivory lace overlay. It's 72 by 72, and remember, the table is a 60-inch round table, so you can see that 72 minus 60 divided by 2 equals 6 inches. So this overlay will give a 6-inch drop. Now, of course, at the end of the day, it will come to basically what is your preference as well. So we went ahead and showed you another one. This is a sequin overlay. It's 85 by 85 inches, so have a much longer drop, as you can see on a 60-inch round table. So let's go ahead and find the points of this square overlay. It's 90 by 90 inches, and this one's actually going to touch the floor of a 60-inch table for a more kind of formal look. It really just depends, like I said, on what you're looking for. Now we're going to give you an example of a round tablecloth that's smaller, so it can act as a table overlay. Now we're showing you kind of like this grid or this chart here that we really created for you, so it's so much easier for you to figure out. This is going to be on our website. We have this on Pinterest, so make sure that you use that if there's any kind of confusion, or go ahead and rewatch the video and pause it, where you can kind of do your own calculations with the dimensions that you have. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.